Friends, as you all know that iPulse today stands at the status of the super brand. It is not a brand anymore, it is a super brand actually. Because it is a wonderful antioxidant and an immune booster drink that is there with the Indus Viva. Well, as you all know that apart from its immune boosting capabilities, iPulse is also known for its heart protective or cardioprotective benefits. Well, there is something called as a matter of fact. Similarly, there is something called as a matter of heart. So every time in the future, why I am telling you this is India is actually a country where more people die of heart attacks. It's a matter of heart. It matters a lot actually. See, we all know that at least one person in our families or elsewhere in your friend circle have succumbed to this heart disease or any heart issue for that matter. So in fact, India's leading cause of mortality is because of heart. 1 in 4 deaths in India happens because of cardiovascular disease, especially with ischemic heart disease and stroke, responsible for most deaths. One of the famous cardiologists at the Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, Dr. Sushant Patil, he's a senior consultant, he says that patients with COVID-19 infections are more prone to blood clot formation, heart rhythm abnormalities, heart attack, stroke and heart failure. These are the major 5 conditions which can happen in a COVID-19 patient who is already suffering with the heart disease. That is the reason why, even though COVID-19 is not vulnerable in other patients, it is very, very disastrous in the cardiac patients, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So the most significant advice the cardiologists usually give is even slight overweight and obesity is a major risk for heart diseases across all age groups. Obesity is just not a cosmetic concern, obesity is a systemic concern. These are the 2 important words that anybody who is watching me have to analyze. It is obesity or overweight is just not a cosmetic fact, it is actually a systemic fact. It is a medical problem that increases your risk of other diseases. It actually causes a lot of heart, health related issues like the heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain cancers as well. So, maintaining a healthy body mass index is very important for maintaining your heart problems. That is how exactly heart diseases are actually categorized, my dear friends. And especially one with COVID-19 with comorbidities like overweight and obesity for that matter, they succumb to a lot of such infections and conditions in the future. So not only this, a lot of factors are there so far as the heart diseases are concerned. One thing I want to make specific here at the beginning of the session itself is heart attack and cardiac arrest are the final stages of the heart disease. They are not the beginning stages of the heart disease. There are a lot of other reasons which can lead to this heart attack or cardiac arrest eventually. Suppose if you have high blood cholesterol or high blood pressure, if you are habituated to smoking, if you are overweight and obese, if you do not have enough physical activity, if you don't consume a healthy diet, if you are a woman above 55 years of age, if you are a man above 45 years of age, if your father or brother had a heart disease before 55 years, if your mother or sister had a heart disease before the age of 55 years, these things can be reasons for all kinds of cardiac diseases in the future. I hope my point is clear to you. It might not happen in a single day's time. Over a period of time, these diseases can cause a lot of problems. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So, what is a heart attack basically? Why I am telling you this is this product is specifically positioned as a cardioprotective product. What is a heart attack? A heart attack normally happens when the blood flow to the heart is suddenly blocked. It is not partially blocked. I am telling you that it is suddenly blocked. See, there are differences between partial blocking and sudden blocking. Partial blocking can lead to severe chest pain sometimes, which appears like the gas problems. But sudden blockages can lead to heart attacks. That is the reason why that is the end stage of heart disease or the cardiac disease. Some common signs of heart attack mainly include pain and discomfort in the center or left side of the chest, or a feeling of pressure, squeezing or fullness. Pain or discomfort in the upper parts of the body like the arms, back, shoulders, neck, jaw or upper stomach can happen. shortness of breath or trouble in breathing, especially while resting or being active, feeling sick to your stomach or throwing up. Sometimes the gas problems, actually the gas problems can be one of the reasons for cardiac diseases in the future as well. Stomach ache or feeling like you have a heartburn, this can also be one of the major reasons. Feeling of dizziness, lightheadedness or unusually tired, breaking out in a cold sweat. These things can happen before you have a sudden heart attack. This can happen otherwise as well, but all these coordinates have to meet. All the dots have to join. From tomorrow, you should not fear that I have a gas trouble, I have something like a heart attack. No. That is the reason why I am telling heart attack or cardiac arrest is the end stage of the heart disease. These are the beginning stages. And end stages are pretty bad actually. And the other thing is, people who are working from home most of the times, is it really hurting your heart? That is also one of the new articles which has appeared in one of the journals. So professionals who are working from home are sitting longer than usual and also binging due to additional stress. Binge a lot. Binge in the sense they eat a lot. This is called as binge eating, which is eventually leading to a lot of overweight and obesity. Studies have proven that even those who exercise, sitting for longer periods, is associated with worsening of the health outcomes, including the heart disease, type 1 and type 2 diabetes. I hope my point is clear to everybody. Even if you are doing 30 minutes per day of physical activity, it matters to you that, it is very important for us even if we are sitting at home. So, there is a consensus, there is a theory which says that 10 hours of sitting can lead to a lot of cardiac related diseases. And because of this excessive sitting, people are resorting themselves to a lot of junk foods, which can also lead to a lot of heart related issues in the future. So, what are the healthy practices which you can follow? So far as healthy practices you can follow, so far as controlling the heart disease is concerned. Brush your teeth twice a day, that is very important. Have medicines regularly. Work towards a goal that keeps you occupied, such as knitting, painting, etc. The diet control has to be stricter since the level of physical activity is less. Avoid using smoking and alcohol as coping mechanisms. Talking to friends and family would help in dealing with the stress. When it comes to the exercise, experts still suggest that the interval training is best for your heart, which alternates short bursts of high intensity effort with longer stretches of intense activity. So these are some of the healthy practices that you need to follow so far as to maintain your heart or to protect your heart, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to everybody. Well, as you all know that iPulse is a wonderful cardio protective drink. Not only that, it is a wonderful immune boosting supplement, and it is given to you in a juice form, which is a synergistic combination of 15 fruits. I hope my point is clear. Well, iPulse contains wonderful antioxidants. Antioxidants, as you all know that it is present in our bodies naturally. But because of severe stress on a daily basis, the antioxidants which are actually present internally are getting weakened. So that is the reason why we need to consume more and more of dietary antioxidants. So whenever we are consuming dietary antioxidants on a daily basis, the antioxidant numbers which are present in our body will be upgraded. And that is the reason why iPulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidant. Along with that, the most important ingredient which is present in iPulse is called as acai berry, which is called as Euter polaracea. The most important thing which is present on the packaging as well, if someone wants to know what is the botanical name of acai berry is actually the most important exotic ingredient which is used in the product. It is a superfruit which is present in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is a heart support ingredient. It is a number 1 antioxidant for anti-aging support. It has an ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, which is significantly higher as compared to any fruits or nuts till date. I hope my point is clear to you. It also has a capability of destroying the cancer cells. It is a wonderful immune system support. It is also used as a dietary supplements for centuries now. Acai berry itself is called as a superfruit. That is the main reason why this product is also called as a super brand, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. The most important thing that is actually used in the iPulse, which is a freeze-dried powder of acai berry. This is one of the most proven innovative technologies which is used as a part of iPulse. So this particular acai berry fruits are freeze to minus 80 degrees Celsius, and this is powdered at this point of time. And this particular powder is called as a freeze-dried powder. The most important thing about the freeze-dried powder of acai berry is the powder doesn't have any taste. It contains a bland taste actually. The most important acai berry which is there on the planet, which is the most quality oriented acai berry, is actually the bland taste, or it doesn't have any taste. And this particular thing is added at a constitution of 14%. We add 14% of acai berry in the product, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So far as the ORAC value and iPulse is concerned, the World Health Organization gives an average human being an ORAC score of 5000. And suppose if you want to get 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants, you need to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organic fruits on a daily basis. So that is the reason why 60 ml of iPulse, when it is consumed on a daily basis, is giving you 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants. It is not 5000, it is giving you 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants per day. So along with this, iPulse also contains a lot of other antioxidant fruits like the pineapple, pear, blackberry, blueberry, pomegranate, strawberry, apples, kiwi fruit, white grape, cherry, bananas, Concord grapes, oranges and mulberries. This is how iPulse is actually formulated. It is actually a combination of 15 antioxidant fruits. I hope my points are clear to everyone. So the most important thing that whoever is watching this should understand is, so far as wellness is concerned, there are two important points. So one is the disease itself. The second is the root causes of the disease. So whenever you eliminate or remove the root causes of the disease itself cannot manifest ahead. This is what is the basis of wellness. So whenever you consume iPulse on a regular basis, iPulse will always get rid of the root causes of the disease, that which is exactly called as the free radicals. Free radicals are otherwise called as the root causes of the disease. So whenever the free radicals are accumulating in your brain, it leads to a lot of Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease. Whenever the free radicals are accumulating in your heart, it leads to a lot of heart related problems. Whenever the free radicals are a lot in your kidneys, it can lead to a lot of kidney related problems. Whenever the free radicals are there in your skin, it can lead to psoriasis. Whenever the free radicals are there in your lungs, it can lead to asthma. So free radicals are nothing but the root causes of the disease. So whenever you are consuming iPulse on a regular basis at a dose of 60 ml a day, which is 30 ml twice daily, iPulse will actually fight out and neutralize these free radicals, which are nothing but the root causes of the disease. So whenever you kick out, whenever you eliminate or neutralize the free radicals, automatically the disease will not get manifested. This is what is the importance of iPulse, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to everybody. There are a lot of benefits which are associated with iPulse as well. The first and the foremost thing is a cardiovascular benefit. The most important thing that iPulse does is it strengthens your heart. It makes your heart muscles strong. It reduces the increased cholesterol levels as well. It gives you a lot of wonderful antioxidant benefits, where it mainly strengthens the cell membrane and restores the antioxidant numbers. It builds the proteins. It fights against the viruses and the bacteria as well. It has a lot of anti-cancer benefits, where it improves the quality of life in a cancer patient. It also has a lot of nervous system benefits, where it strengthens the nervous system, strengthens the memory and improves the mental clarity. It has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits as well, where it combats the complications of diabetes. It is not for reducing the sugar levels, but it is mainly for combating the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to everybody. Well, so far as diabetes is concerned, iPulse is always important to be given at a dose of 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before the diet. It is not 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. It is 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night. It is also good for blood pressure. So far as the low BP is concerned, it should be given 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. So far as the age limit is concerned, it can be given from 6 years onwards, but still from 1 year onwards you can definitely give iPulse. There is no problems. So far as duration is concerned, as a part of wellness supplement, I would like to tell you that it can be given for a minimum period of 3 months. Maximum it can be taken as long as desired. So far as the pregnancy and lactation are concerned, you have to give it up till the 6 months of pregnancy. After that, it should not be given. So far as the lactating mothers are concerned, it is always important for you to give iPulse after 1 month of delivery. I hope my point is clear to you. With this, friends, I would like to end this short topic on iPulse. I hope you have understood the relevance of the cardiac diseases in India, especially during the vulnerable COVID-19 condition as well, along with the most important points on acai berry, which will help you to scientifically promote the product. Thank you so much, Vivites, for listening to me, watching me. Well, this is a question answer time. So now I would like to take up some of the questions from the last week and this week. So my colleagues Ms. Asma and Saujanya have collected the questions for me. So let me take you through the first question by Mr. Sai Sundar. If you are watching this, my customer is having throat itching problem. She has completed 6 bottles of iPulse. Can it support throat problem? Well, suppose if the issue is with the throat, I would always like you to suggest iPulse in a not cold condition. You have to take it out of the refrigerator. When it comes to the room temperature, then you can definitely give it. Well, not only this, suppose if you can slightly warm iPulse also, you can give it in a slightly warmed condition. Do not overheat it, slightly warm it and give it. Indirectly also you can warm on a water bath. This can also be done. The next question is by Mr. Omkar Wagdhare. Is iPulse having multivitamin properties and how does it work for metabolism and pre-diabetes? It doesn't have any added vitamins and minerals. Whatever the vitamin and minerals are there, it is actually present in the fruits itself inherently. We have not added anything from outside. That is the answer for it. And metabolism, definitely it is a good product for digestion and metabolism. It is not a product for pre-diabetic prevention, but it can help out in the complications of diabetes, like the diabetic nephropathy, diabetic neuropathy or diabetic retinopathy. Such conditions it can be used. So the next question is by Mr. Pramod Kumar. I am using iPulse since 2 months. I am feeling hungry and gastric irritation, feeling ulcer like in the left part of the abdomen. I tried diluting it with water. So what could be done? I would suggest you to use 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before food. I hope that point is clear to you, and 20 ml twice daily along with consumption of more water will reduce your problem. So the next question is by Mr. Haroon Parvez. My mom is having thyroid and count of hemoglobin is less. Please suggest what is the appropriate way of taking iPulse. You should take 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. I hope my point is clear. So the next question is by Miss Alekhya Kheta. Is iPulse good for lung infection problem? So that person consumed right, and how to use it? Okay, I would like to reframe this question. Is iPulse good for respiratory issues or lung infected problems? Yes, you can use it, but not in cold condition. It has to be used in the room temperature. So in the sense, it has to be brought back to the room temperature from the refrigerator. You can slightly warm it a bit indirectly on a water bath. You can use like this, so definitely it can control the lung infections. So the next question is again by Ms. Alekhya Kheta. Is iPulse suggested for a brain tumor or cancer patient? He is under radiotherapy. Yes, it can be used as a generalized health supplement along with his medications. So the next question is by Mr. Lakshman. One of my customer is suffering from cellulitis. His leg is swelling. So is iPulse can be suggested there. Yes, you can definitely use in case of cellulitis problem because it is one of the best products which has anti-inflammatory properties along with their medications as well. So the next question is by Mr. Lukman Hakim. One of my customer is losing his weight while using iPulse. I don't think there is any such testimony till date. We have not got any reports like weight reduction till date. Suppose if that is a criteria, you can definitely reduce the dose of iPulse to 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. I hope my point is clear to you all. So the next question is by Miss Amom Chingamba, if I'm spelling your name right. Sorry if I have mispronounced it. Can we give iPulse to a breastfeeding mother? Yes, but after 1 month of delivery. From 2nd month onwards, you can give it. So the next question is by Mr. Shiva. Kidney dialysis patient, twice a week can we recommend IPLS? Yes, but not on the days of dialysis. It should be given on the days apart from the dialysis days. So the next question is by Mr. Ravi Teja. Autism IPLS for 7-year children, can it help? It can be used only as a supplement in such people. It cannot be used on a regular basis, but only as a supplement it can be used, not for a curative purpose, only as a supplementary purpose. Please give it in such children. So the next question of the day is by Ms. Vanita Shekhar. Can we suggest IPLS to a patient who is suffering from protein loss in urine? See, the protein loss in urine have a lot of other issues actually. It might not be due to one condition, but as a supplement you can definitely suggest 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. Half an hour food can be suggested. So the next question is by Mr. Vikas Srivatsava. Will IPLS work on pneumonia patients? Yes, but in not cold condition. As I told you, you have to make it lukewarm indirectly. Then you can give 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before the food. So the next question is by Mr. Waqif Ahmad. How to suggest it for PCOD? See, for polycystic ovarian disease, I would suggest both iCoffee Creamer and IPLS. iCoffee Creamer must be half sachet in the morning and half sachet in the night. IPLS must be 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. Both the product preferably for 3 months. So the next question is by Ms. Seema Jain Sagar. How much IPLS one can take if it is a breast cancer case? The dose remains same, 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. The next question is by Mr. Badshah Mohammed. Can we suggest IPLS for aplastic anemia? Whenever you are using IPLS for anemic conditions where the hemoglobin is low, I would like to suggest 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. So you noted my point, it is after food in case of anemia. I hope, my dear friends, you have got your answers. I know there are a lot of other questions. So since there is a lack of time constraint, I will not be able to answer everything on live. So you can send you can click the link and you can enter the question and you can send it to us so that my team will be able to answer it later on. So we'll see that each and every question of yours is respected and it will be answered and no question will go in vain. Thank you so much.